Hello crochet friends, welcome back. We're working on our teddy bear and today we're going to start his arms. We will need 2 of these, just like our little legs, and we're using the same yarn here and the same 2.5mm crochet hook. So we're going to get started with a magic circle. We're going to yarn over our hand and we're going to cross and yarn over again. We're going to go under that first strand there, grab and twist that second one and pull it up on the shank of our hook. Here we go. Okay, let's give it a chain 1 to hold it in place. And we're going to do 6 single crochets for round 1 inside that circle. So enter, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. There's 1, enter, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. There's 2. This will be 3 all single crochets and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, wonderful. Now we have 6 stitches on our work here at the end of round 1. Give that a little tug on the tail there. Pull things together. And we're going to increase each of these stitches. So I'm going to put my marker in here just to help me figure out where I'm going, right? All right, so I've got a little marker there and we're going to increase each. So I'm going to go back to this first stitch of ours, front loop, enter, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 for your first single crochet. Now grab both loops of that same stitch and give it a single crochet. All right, we have 2 now. Next stitch, front loop only, single crochet, whole stitch, single crochet. There's 4. Next one, front stitch, single crochet, and then whole stitch, single crochet. Beautiful. All right, moving right along here. Okay, next stitch. Oh, so tiny, isn't it? So tiny, it's all good. There's 1 and 2. Next one. Front stitch, whole stitch. Okay, and we have 1 more here. Front loop and whole stitch. Okay, we should have 12 stitches on our work. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Yep, I'm good. Hopefully you are also. I'm going to give my little center there a nice tug and close that up better. There we go. That's much better looking. Okay, now moving up my marker, we're going on to round 3. Round 3 for today says 3 single crochets. Oh, wow. Okay, so first stitch, a single crochet. Second stitch, a single crochet. And third stitch, a single crochet. All right, next one gets an increase. So front loop, single crochet. And then whole stitch, single crochet. All right, and then we repeat. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and then we repeat. And here's your increase. All right, so that's our repeat of our increase. Wonderful. And then we start again. 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and then our increase on that last stitch. All right, so front loop, single crochet, whole stitch, single crochet. Move up your marker. That was round 3. We now have 15 stitches on our work. Alrighty, and now 4 through 8 are all the same. They are single crochet each stitch around. So we will go around and do each one here, each stitch. There are 15, so we'll be doing 15 at a time. We're going to move up our marker and then we'll move on to the next round. So we need to do 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Not terrible, right? It's a little bit of bulk to build up our project here. So I'm going to keep working on these. Mark off what you've done so you don't lose track as you're going along here. And as soon as I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like. But it might take you a minute just to get these all done, right? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, single crochet each stitch around. All right, so I'm almost done with 4 here. Not terrible, right? That's only 15 stitches. We can do this. We can do this. All right, so here's my last one. So now I'm going to move up my marker. I'm going to mark off that I did 4, and I'm going to go on to 5, okay? And I'll meet you at the end of 8. Here we go. Okay, this is my last stitch of round 8. Okay, so it's a little bit of bulk work. It looks great. This is the arm so far. Give my little end there a tug. This is what it should look like, kind of like a little basket. But that is the arm so far through round 8, just so you have an idea of what it'll look like when you finish that part up. And we'll meet up next time to start working on round 9 of the arm. I will see you then. Thank you, and have a joyful day.